Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change tire Nissan Pathfinder, only way. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake for safety. Place wheel chocks behind the opposite wheels. Locate the spare, jack, and lug wrench and confirm the necessary tools fit the Nissan lug nuts. Open the trunk and remove the cargo cover if needed so you can access the spare and tools quickly and safely. Before lifting, break the lug nuts loose with the lug wrench while the wheel is still on the ground. Find the reinforced jack point near the wheel and place the jack securely. Pump the jack handle to raise the vehicle until the flat tire is about 3 to 4 inches off the ground. Keep your hands clear and double-check stability before removing the lug nuts fully to avoid any sudden drops or wobble. After the vehicle is lifted, finish removing the lug nuts and take off the flat tire carefully. Mount the spare by aligning the wheel studs and slide the spare onto the hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to seat the wheel evenly. Lower the vehicle until the spare touches the ground, then tighten the lug nuts firmly in the same star pattern to the recommended torque to ensure a secure fit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.